So this question is MSQ, multiple selective question. It carries 2 marks. What is the negative marking for this? 0. MSQ doesn't contain a negative marking. So for the simplification purpose, I have divided this question into 2 parts. The first part is for an integer n, fn of x is equal to x into e power minus nx, where x belongs to 0, 1. Let s is equal to fn, where n is greater than 1. This is the first part of the question. Let us take down that. So fn of x is equal to x into e power minus nx, right? So s is defined as fn of x where n is greater than 1, that is f1, f2 and so on. So s is so and so on. So this is the family of sets. S is the family of sets. Then consider the metric space C of 0, 1, D, where d of f, g, that is the distance function f, g is equal to supremum of modulus function of f of x minus g of x, where x belongs to 0, 1, f and g belongs to C of 0, 1. Here C of 0, 1 refers to the space of continuous functions. So which of the following statements are true? That is, it is a MSQ question. More than one options may be correct. So first let us look at the function where the limit is tending. So fn of x is equal to x into e power minus nx. So s is equal to fn into fn of n greater than 1. As fn of x, as n tends to infinity, we can see here x is equal x divided by e power nx. As n tends to infinity, x divided by infinity, it is 0. So the limit of the function is 0, and the functional value at x equal to 0 is also 0. So which means fn of f tends to f pointwise. So the sequence fn converges to f over the compact set 0, 1. So here x is defined on a compact set 0, 1. So it is closed and bounded. So it is a compact set, and here the fn is a monotonically decreasing sequence. So there is a standard result by Dini's theorem, a monotone sequence of a continuous function that converges pointwise on a compact space, then the convergence is uniform. So we can say that fn tends to f uniformly. Next, from the uniform continuity, if the sequence of functions defined on a domain set D is uniformly convergent to a function f, then the family fn is equicontinuous on a domain D. So here in the first option it is given that f is equicontinuous family of continuous functions. This option is correct by these 2 statements. Equicontinuous, it is a concept that extends the notation of continuity of a function to a set of functions. This is the family of functions. It is equicontinuity concept extends the uniform continuity of a function to a family of functions. So S is equicontinuous family of continuous functions. Let's check for the other options, that is f of x, limit as n tends to infinity, fn of x is equal to limit as n tends to infinity. So we have calculated this value, that is limit is 0. 0 belongs to the set S. Here I have written the set S. 0 belong ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ S ಗೆ? No. So we know the definition of a closed set, that is if a set is said to be closed if and only if it contains all its limit points. 0 is one of the limit point and 0 is the limit point. It does not contain in the set S, hence the set S is not closed. By this, if S is not closed, we know the definition of a compact set S, that is closed plus bounded is equal to compact. So we can eliminate the option B and D directly because S is not closed, S is not a compact set. Here now option A is correct, B is wrong, D is also wrong. Now to check for boundedness, S is bounded or not. So consider they have given the condition supremum of modulus of f of x minus g of x must exist. So there must exist a certain constant m. Every function must be less than that constant. That is the meaning of supremum. Supremum of fn of x minus fm of x. I have substituted the values of f of x, that is here I replaced the n by m. So by taking the common, I will get this equation, and by changing the sign, I will apply the modulus for each term in the equation, and then supremum of x into 1 by e power mx So this value is less than or equal to Supremum of x belongs to 0, 1. 1 divided by e power mx plus 1 divided by e power mx. By substituting the value here 0, I will get 1 divided by e power 0 is 1. So I will get here 2. So this function is less than 2 and greater than 0, since it is a modulus function, therefore it is a bounded function. So my options A and C are correct. That is, it is not a compact and it is not closed, but the function is bounded and equicontinuous.